Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Windows Subsystem for Linux. First of all, what is good to do is to update your system to the newest version. So let's check for updates. Okay, and this part is very important. We want to update to the version 909 at least, because some features in this update are directly linked with the Windows subsystem for Linux. Okay, after a while it finally seems that we have updated the Windows installation, so just check it. Type settings. Here it should be something like about system, about, and we see that the Windows version is indeed 1901, which is the correct Windows version. So now we can finally continue with the installation of the Windows subsystem for Linux. So what we need is to just type one simple line of code into the console, and you can find it on a documentation of the Microsoft, and it's this. So copy it. Now open PowerShell. Paste it. You need to run the PowerShell as root. Otherwise you will end up with the error which you have seen a few seconds ago. And you need to hit enter. Then it will run. Do you want to restart? Yes, we want to restart. We are once more in Windows, so now we need to go to the Play Store. Sorry, to Windows Store. Microsoft Store. Sorry, everybody uses it every day, so okay. And we want to search for Linux. And my personal favorite is either Kali Linux or Debian. I will go for Debian and hit install. You don't need to register actually, because you see it's already downloading. So Microsoft just wants you to register, but you don't have to. It's up to you. Okay, it's now installing. That's it. So hit launch. Now the Debian is deploying. Okay, I will put my favorite username. Some password. And we are good to go. So let's close it by exit. And close it here. If you just want to run some Linux subsystem, then easiest way is to just type bash, and that's it. you are up and running with your Windows subsystem in Linux. So next few goals are to get comfortable with this Windows subsystem. I will give you a few recommendations on, let's say, basic Linux how-to. Then you can, for instance, go through SSH tunneling into some remote machines with the advantage that this is native now in Windows, so working with the console is much more fluent. And if you install Xming, you can run graphical applications, Linux graphical applications on Windows, such as Molden, and all of this will be covered in the next videos. So see you soon, and I hope you have learned something useful today.